Hey, let me show you 3 tips how you can fix issue when you cannot receive notifications from your iPhone on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So first of all, you will have to go into the Mi Fitness application, open notifications and calls, open app notifications, and you have to be sure that you enable notifications from which apps this can send notifications. So as you can see, we already turned on app notifications, but we didn't actually enable it with the switchers. So be sure that you actually turn on notifications from every application manually. And if you do this, if you still don't receive notifications, there is a chance that you should actually turn off this option, notify only when warned. So when your device doesn't actually detect that you have this device on your wrist, that it doesn't actually send you notifications. Once you actually turn it off, you'll get notifications every time, and it's especially useful when you have tattoos right here on the left or the right hand. And also, if it still doesn't work, I can recommend you to check in the settings if you didn't actually activate the do not disturb mode. So you have to click here, input do not or focus, and be sure that you actually switch this off on your iPhone and on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.